I know we normally do these videos at my workstation. We're doing them at my computer today. Wanted to give you guys a warning. How cheap is too cheap when it comes to filament? I've been using a lot of the Amazon stuff, no problems. Everybody was out of ASA, so I bought this one off eBay. It was 24 something with shipping. I've made 6 items with it at 6 different levels, and I just think I should let you guys know that this is the best of the items I've made. This is 100% infill, 3 millimeters thick, and completely fragile. It's like clay. There's just no binder or anything in it. So again, my suggestion, if you come to this material, is avoid it.